Tonight, we're doing Jamie Oliver's carbonara. Thank you, Jamie, for helping with this. We've got some amazing pancetta, some smoked bacon. I couldn't find the pig cheek that does the whole thing the proper way, but I've got the best I could get. I've got to make the little sauce. I'm taking this egg here. I've got some whole eggs in there, and I've got some egg yolks as well. Goes right in there. Boom. This stuff, I've got some pecorino cheese in here, some pepper, lots of black pepper in that thing. And the key is make sure you got that mixture like that. Beautiful. And then you stop the pasta, stop the oven, turn that thing off. Look at that bacon, the garlic is in there, and don't strain it, just take it and add it in. You hear it fry now? It's going to stop in a moment. Now it's frying. And that beautiful pasta water is going to work sensationally. Add more pasta water. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Add more pasta. Get that water out. Then, you see, there's no sound now. Now, with that pasta water in there, which is full of starch, you take your egg mixture, which actually I put some truffle oil in because I love truffle, and you slowly put that into there. Look at that. That's the key right there. Look at that whole mixture. And there's no cream. There's no cream in carbonara, you guys. No cream in carbonara. Boom. Boom. Oh my God. This is it. If it's too hot, you have scrambled eggs. Boom, 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 boom. More water. More water. More water. Look how creamy that becomes. More water. More water. Water's good. Pasta's good. Okay. In, and then more pepper. This is going to be a nice, spicy, peppery carbonara. Look at that. It looks like it's a cream sauce, but it's not. It's just the eggs. Goes into this beautiful plate here like this. Oh, look at that. Oh, look how creamy it looks. It looks so creamy. My gosh. Of course, in the end, you got a bit more pepper. And you have a carbonara that is creamy, flavorful, and sensational. What do? You gotta have a little taste. A little taste, just one. Oh, I left my scarf on. Oh dear, I forgot to take my scarf off. Sensational.